In this video, we're going to go through the process of creating a shipment of a sales order. Open the sales order, and on the sales order we can click the ellipses to view more options. From here, we can put the order back on hold. We can create a shipment, we can place it on back order, or we can cancel the order. From here, we can also print the sales order, email the sales order, and run through our replenishment processes. As part of the shipment process, we will go ahead and click the Create Shipment button. This will pop up with a window confirming the information from the sales order as well as our shipment date and our warehouse. Let's click the OK button, which will navigate to the shipment screen and copy all the information from the sales order. Notice we have a new shipment number. We also have the customer filled in, the warehouse, the date, and all the line details below. Notice the items have been inserted. The quantities to be shipped have been added, and we can now go ahead and change the shipped quantities if required if we're shipping less than the ordered quantities. Notice we've got multiple tabs in here which references back to the order. Any shipping information is under the Shipping tab, and the Packages tab represents any boxes that you might want to add into the system if the packaging features are enabled. If we click back to the Details tab under the Ellipses or More menu, we can put the shipment back on hold. We can confirm the shipment. We have a few grayed out options. Correct shipment allows us to put the shipment back into an open status after we've confirmed it. This is useful for rectifying mistakes that have been made. We can print the pick list. We can print the shipment confirmation, and any labels can also be printed from here. Once we have confirmed our shipped quantity, we can go ahead and click the Confirm Shipment button. This will put the status of the shipment as confirmed, and we are ready to proceed to the invoice. Next, we're going to show how to process the invoice to open the shipment document and confirm the shipment. And once that's completed, we are going to go ahead and click Prepare the Invoice. This takes us to the Invoices screen, where we can see it's copied the information from the shipment to the invoice screen. It's generated a new invoice number, copied the customer information across, populated the terms and the due dates based on the information on the customer. It's set the invoice date and the posting period. It's copied across the customer order number and the description. It's also updated the totals as per the order. And down here in the line details, it's added the various items, set the quantities and the unit prices. On the Taxes tab, it's calculated the GST. On the Commissions tab, it is showing the default salesperson. If there was any freight calculated, that would be showing on the Freight tab. Any financial information is shown in this tab, including the batch number. Once this invoice is released, we'll be able to view the batch number. The address information is added under the Addresses tab. Any discounts calculated are under the Discounts tab, and any linked documents are under the Applications tab. Under the More menu, we've got various actions like Hold, Release, Credit Hold, Print Invoice, Email Invoice, and other types of actions as required. For this next step, we are going to release the invoice. Once released, the status of the invoice changes to Open, which means that there's no payment against this invoice yet. Once a payment is allocated, the status will change to Closed. We can now head over to the Financial tab and we'll notice there is now batch number. When we click this, it will take us to the general ledger information of this invoice. We cover additional MYOB advanced workflows in other videos.